Hi, today gagawa ako ng banana cake with walnuts, chocolate, and chia seed. So, let's see. I'm using 3 banana. This is not so ripe when I bought it, so nilagay ko sa oven. Ooh. Which my husband don't like. Nailuto ko sa oven. So, mash lang natin yung banana, 3 bananas. 100 grams of sugar. And then, what do you call it? 57 grams of butter. Oh, I will just leave it for, what do you call it? Para ipahe dun sa baking dish. So mix it. Dry ingredients: 128 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, tapos 1 teaspoon of baking powder, tapos 50 ml of chia seed. Mix lang. Oh, sugar. Yan, ganyan lang. Tansya lang. And then mix the banana mixture, oh my god, I forgot the egg. Hindi ka na ang itlog. Nakalimutan ko. 1 egg. Almost forgot. Egg. So mix lang. Mix together. Then again on chocolate. I use milk chocolate, and then yung crushed walnuts. Chocolate and crushed walnuts. Let's see. Mix nyo lang ulit together. There's a 9 by 5, I think. And then we just put the mixture. Don't forget to grease your baking tray. Yeah. So, ready na, and let's put in the oven. Preheat ko na siya 165 degrees, and then I will bake it for 1 hour. So let's see. See, after 40 minutes, I think it's okay now. Meron pa pala. Look, it's so moist. Why my piece is so big?
I don't know. Phone that way.